One of the main reasons we pull off all the tomatoes as they start ripening and then finish them off in the house is these green June beetles. They don't really hurt anything, except they do feed on fruit. They do feed on overripe fruit. They can really tear up an orchard, they can tear up a vineyard really bad. Since a tomato is a fruit, we don't want them to get too ripe. Alright, here's our green June beetle. They're twice the size of the Japanese beetles. There is some confusion about them. Their legs are pretty tough. They're kind of spiky. They're kind of slippery to catch. So far, they're not eating the tomatoes. They're not eating the leaves. They're pretty much mating out here. One of the things about these guys is their grubs move around on their back. So their little feet are in the air, and people that have golf courses don't like what it does to grass roots. But they eat the mulch, so they're helping me break down my stuff. They don't bother me, so I'm not going to waste any time trying to kill them or catch them. They're just out here breeding, and unless they start posing a problem to the plants, I'm more concerned about the Japanese beetle, which is also green, but it's about a third the size of this guy. So there you go. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.